Snow peas are a delightful addition to any garden. They are easy to grow and offer a sweet, crisp harvest perfect for stir-fries, salads, or snacking right off the vine. Unlike shelling peas, you eat the entire pod. These cool season vegetables thrive in spring and fall in many climates. Getting your timing right is key to a successful crop. Let's walk through the steps to grow abundant snow peas in your outdoor garden. Snow peas need plenty of sunshine to produce well. Select a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good air circulation is also beneficial. Avoid areas where you've recently grown other legumes like beans or peas. This helps prevent the buildup of soil-borne diseases specific to these plants. Crop rotation is a simple but effective gardening practice. Snow peas prefer well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Before planting, amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure. This improves drainage and provides essential nutrients. Peas are nitrogen fixers, meaning they can draw nitrogen from the air and store it in their roots. Avoid adding excessive nitrogen fertilizer before planting, as this can result in lush foliage but fewer pods. A soil pH between 6.0 and 7.5 is ideal. Snow peas are best planted directly from seed outdoors. They can tolerate light frost, so plant them in early spring as soon as the soil can be worked. In warmer climates, you can also plant them in the fall for a winter harvest. Sow seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart. If planting in rows, space the rows about 18 to 24 inches apart. You can soak the seeds overnight before planting to potentially speed up germination, but it's not strictly necessary. Water the planting area gently after sowing. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged during the germination period. Seeds typically sprout within 7 to 14 days depending on soil temperature. Snow peas are vining plants and require support to climb. Installing a trellis, netting, or stakes at planting time is highly recommended. This keeps the vines off the ground, improving air circulation and making harvesting easier. A simple trellis made of stakes and netting works well. Install it right after planting the seeds so the young plants can find support as they grow. The tendrils will naturally grasp onto the structure. Consistent moisture is important for snow peas, especially once they start flowering and producing pods. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid overhead watering if possible to help prevent fungal diseases. Watering in the morning is best. This allows the foliage to dry before evening, further reducing disease risk. Ensure the soil remains evenly moist throughout the growing season for the best yield. As mentioned, peas fix their own nitrogen. Generally, they don't require heavy feeding. If your soil was well amended with compost, additional fertilizer may not be necessary. If your plants look pale or are growing slowly, a light application of a balanced, low-nitrogen fertilizer might help. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, which promote leafy growth at the expense of pods. Snow peas can occasionally face issues like aphids or powdery mildew. Aphids can be sprayed off with a strong stream of water or treated with insecticidal soap if infestation is severe. Powdery mildew appears as white, powdery patches on leaves. Good air circulation, avoiding overhead watering, and planting resistant varieties can help prevent it. Remove affected leaves promptly. Healthy plants are less susceptible to problems. Harvesting is the most rewarding part. Snow peas are ready to pick when the pods are flat and the peas inside are just beginning to swell. Don't wait until the peas are large and round like shelling peas. Pick pods regularly, typically every 1 to 2 days, once production begins. This encourages the plant to produce more flowers and pods. Use 2 hands when picking to avoid damaging the vine. Harvested snow peas are best used fresh. They can be stored in the refrigerator for a few days. For longer storage, they can be blanched and frozen. Growing snow peas is a rewarding experience, providing fresh, delicious pods straight from your garden. With the right preparation and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest throughout the cool season. Happy gardening!